And if you do survive tonight's evictions, what do you think you could do better to make your mark?
I'm going to communicate more and then express myself more, because I feel like I've been like a little reserved.
I'm going to be more out there, like I don't care anymore. Like, you don't like me, boo-hoo. Like, I don't care. Like, I want everyone to like me, but now I don't really care. Like, this is a competition. If you don't like me, hopefully you will slap me and you go home.
I like to show myself more. Yes, for the wager tax for this week too. So I'm definitely going to show myself more.
Set my boundaries. I've been giving a lot of people grace because I respect them and they are actually passing that grace.
I'm giving my all to these competitions because I'm really competitive and I'm not happy that I'm not winning anything. It hurts me. Like, I want to win something at least. So
apart from allowing people know who I am continuously and keeping it respectful, I think I truly in turn need to, clock some people's, behavior and patterns.
Live more freely, and I'll make better relationships with people in the house, and then I would show all the personalities that I have.
I just wanted a lot of people to know the things that I do and how good I am at the things that I do. So I also wanted to have fun as well.
Assess everybody, and in as much as I'll show myself with the guys, but in terms of the females, I've been trying to assess everybody, trying to know the kind of personality each person is.
I just feel like me talking to people more would be best. I feel like me being more patient would be best. Like, I should think before I speak, is what I'm basically trying to say. And just still have fun.
I mean, I've not shown the entity of Cassie. I haven't shown what all there is to be Cassie. I've only just started. This is week 1, and I've only just started. I'm starting to loosen up, starting to adjust and get my routines right.
And if I survive tonight, and that girl survive with me tonight, this week, make she just run. Make she just park first. Because I will first of all table her matter. I will table her matter.
I need to win something so I could feel better. I haven't won anything. I love winning. Yeah, definitely win something.
I feel like I have been moving very emotional since I got to the house, which is typical me. I would probably move better with wisdom as opposed to moving in emotionally.
Be more focused with what I have to do, what I need to do before I do what I want to do. Yes, what I need to do.
I feel like I should really try to let myself go more. I feel like I'm still in a little bit of a shell.
I will want to hear you say after a task, I could, well done.
Just show myself, be myself, soak in the experience, so more of that.
Please start by putting my best in the arena games. Winning the head of house would be a good start. Winning every competition would be a good start.
I would really like to work on more wager tax and stuff. So, yeah, pretty much that.
Oh, for me, it's just really about surviving today and making sure that I attack every day henceforth with as much force and enthusiasm as possible.
Try my best to be active at the gym so that I'll be physically fit for HOH or wager or any tax, because I feel like I'm slacking. Not feel like I am slacking.
Well, moving forward, I think even if it's not aggressively, I would find a way to always get what I want, so I put in my best foot forward.